Hi there, Peter Wolfkamp, resident builder, and today I'm looking for the right spot to put a Fat Sam water tank from Bailey's Tanks. Now they're specifically designed to go either underneath an existing house or underneath a deck, so I think I've found just the right spot. Let's have a look. Well, I've spent more than enough time crawling around under decks and houses thinking, gosh, it's a good space to do something with it, and the perfect thing to do is to fit some water storage tanks. So the Bailey's tank Fat Sam is specifically designed to get in to these sorts of spaces. In this instance, I need to check how much height I've got, how much width, so between the rows of bearers, and then you can see the length of space that I have underneath here. We're going to fit 3 tanks in here. First one will go down that far end, we'll couple it together with the second tank, then we'll add the third Fat Sam tank. That'll give us a total of 6,000 litres of water storage in this space that basically is just waiting for a tank to arrive. So in this instance here, you know, typical good old-fashioned Kiwi deck and brand new Fat Sam water tank. There is enough space, so I've checked the height of the tank, the width of it and the length of it against the space that I've got underneath here. And the beauty of that is this is an unutilized space, and in fact I can fit 3 of these Fat Sam water tanks underneath this existing deck, couple them all together, and that will create 6,000 litres of rainwater storage, perfect for the garden. So this Fat Sam and 2 others will go underneath this existing deck. Once they're coupled up and the downpipes are connected in and the overflow is connected as well, the pump can be attached, and that's when you can get underway with watering the garden. The guys have been busy setting up the Fat Sam water tanks underneath the deck here, and when I say water tanks, there's actually 3 of these 2,000 litre tanks that have been set up underneath this underutilised deck space. It's connected up to the downpipe, so collecting the water from the roof. They're all coupled together using these fittings so that when one tank fills, the next tank fills and so on. And if they ever had too much water in them, there's an overflow which takes the water back into the stormwater system. From these tanks, from the 6,000 litre capacity, they're able to draw off all of their irrigation needs for the garden. So it's a great solution for this household to be able to irrigate their garden using the water that they've collected from the roof and stored in these Fat Sams underneath the deck. The beauty of the Fat Sam, of course, is that it fills that space otherwise completely underutilised under this existing deck. Now, for more information on the Fat Sam or the Slim Jim or any of the tanks by Bailey Water Tanks, check it out online, www.tanks.co.nz.